Hello and welcome to today's video. 8 of the best natural foods to eat for weight loss. Include the following weight loss foods as part of a healthy overall diet, and you may find it's easier to achieve your weight loss goals. They're high in fibre, which helps keep you feeling fuller for longer. They have a low energy density, meaning that you can eat a decent sized portion without overdoing it on calories. Number 1, avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, dietary fibre, potassium and phytochemicals. And while avocados are higher in calories than other fruits and vegetables, their satisfying fat and fibre combo can actually help you slim down. 2. Eggs. Eggs are rich in high quality protein, fats and essential nutrients. Eating a high protein breakfast promotes weight loss because protein increases satiety while regulating hunger and appetite hormones, helping to fend off your hunger for longer. 3. Beans. All beans are high in fibre, which is your friend when you're trying to lose weight, because it helps you feel fuller for longer, thus controlling hunger. Eating beans has also been linked with loads of other health benefits. Number 4, yogurt. Yogurt is protein packed and full of probiotics, which are good for gut health and can help your weight loss efforts. Your gut health can impact your weight, and eating more fibre and probiotics helps keep your gut bacteria happy, which is good for your metabolism. 5. Salmon. Salmon is a rich source of high quality protein and provides plenty of good fats, which are omega-3 fatty acids. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids helped people feel more satisfied when they were watching their calories. 6. Fruit. Eating fruit can help you lose weight, especially when you swap in fresh fruit for processed foods or other unhealthy snacks. You'll get a naturally sweet treat, plus reap the benefits of fibre and antioxidants. Number 7, popcorn. Believe it or not, as long as this popular cinema treat isn't doused in movie theatre butter, it makes an excellent weight loss snack. Not only is popcorn high in fibre, it even delivers some protein. It's full of air, so you can eat 3 whole cups of popcorn for only 100 calories. Number 8, almonds. Almonds are an excellent source of fibre and they're high in protein. Rich in vitamin E and a good source of heart-healthy mono and polyunsaturated fats. Almonds are a great choice to sprinkle over a salad or side dish and also make a healthy snack.